The Cary Company is proud to offer a wide selection of child-resistant caps. All of our CRCs are tested and certified to meet the safety standards set forth by the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission. When look and feel are as important as safety, the Cary Company offers both easy safe and smooth design child-resistant caps. Easy safe models are designed for seniors and those who may have trouble gripping a standard CRC. Easy Safe's special ergonomic ribs are positioned along the outer edge, making it the most energy-efficient choice for adults with less dexterity. The smooth design child-resistant caps feature sleek sides and a matte finish. The smooth design provides a unique in-hand consumer experience. Common packaging applications for the smooth design and easy safe caps include cannabis products, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals. The Cary Company offers an economical way to build your own CRC. Choose the neck width and finish that corresponds with the opening. Then, choose from the pictorial or push down and turn. Finally, choose the color and liner that suits your needs. Custom CRCs are great for pharmaceutical, automotive, and household chemical industries. Many of our CRCs are not tamper-evident. If a tamper-evident seal is needed, either a heat induction seal or a shrink band are compatible. Please note, child-resistant caps need a larger shrink band than a continuous thread cap. Find all your CRC solutions at our website, thecarycompany.com.